Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the important reaction of amines. Friends, first reaction aminolysis. When alkyl halides react with ammonia to break down the bond between the alkyl halides and we obtain the primary amines. When primary amines friends react with alkyl halides to remove the hydrogen and halides, we get the secondary amines, and secondary amines is react with excess alkyl halides, we get the tertiary amines, and tertiary amines is converted to the quaternary ammonium salt. This is the important reaction friends, aminolysis to form the quaternary ammonium salt from alkyl halides. Second reaction, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Friends, from phthalamides, the structure of the phthalamides, these are the structure of the phthalamides, react with alcoholic KOH to remove the H and OH hydrogen molecules, and we get potassium salt of phthalimide. When potassium salt of phthalamides react with alkyl halides to remove potassium halides to obtain the N-alkyl phthalamides. And when N-alkyl phthalamides react with two molecules of sodium hydroxides, friends, to remove Nr and H2 molecule of amines, and we get sodium phthalimide plus primary amines. These are the important reaction to synthesis primary amines from the phthalamides, friends. The next reaction friends, Hofmann's bromide reactions. It is also called the Hofmann degradation reaction friends. These reactions is convert amines into the amine. When amide, the structure of RC double bond O NH2 is react with Br2 plus potassium hydroxides. When heated, we get primary amines plus KBr, K2CO3 and H2O friends. In this reaction friends, the C double bond O molecules are removed and we get the primary amines. This is a reaction also called the step down reaction because one carbon atom are less in product. This is called the step down reactions. For example friends, acetamide CH3CO NH2 react with Br2 plus KOH. When heated, we get the methyl amine plus KBr and K2CO3 and H2O. These are the important reaction of degradations of bromide reaction, Hofmann bromide reaction. Next reaction friends, Garbelamine's reaction. The Garbelamin test used for the primary amines. These are the laboratory. When given substance react with chloroform and potassium hydroxides, we obtain alkyl isocyanates. We confirm two primary amine is present. The alkyl isocyanates friends RNC. It is also called the garbelamines plus potassium chlorate and H2O molecules. The next reaction is friends, diazotization reactions. These reactions are very useful for primary, secondary and tertiary amines react differently with nitrous acid. Friends, when aniline react with sodium nitrile and HCl at the temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin, these are the important condition for this reaction, we get benzene diazonium chloride plus sodium chloride and H2O. These are the N2 diazonium group is present, benzene diazonium chloride from aniline. Next reaction friends, reaction of arene diazonium salt. When benzene diazonium chloride into Cl, benzene is present and react with copper chloride and HCl, we get the chlorobenzene. These are the reaction of Sandmeyer reaction. And second reaction is Gattermann reaction. When reagent are used copper powder plus HCl, we get the chlorobenzene. Both reaction, the product are same. Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reactions, chlorobenzene is obtained, but different reagent are used. In Sandmeyer reaction, we use the reagent copper chloride and HCl or copper bromide or HCl, and in Gattermann reaction, we use the copper powder plus HCl or copper powder plus HBr. In this reaction, the displacement of diazo group in both the reactions. Last reaction is the diazo coupling reaction, friends. In this reaction, when benzene diazonium chlorides react with phenol, the para hydrogen and chlorine are removed and we get para hydroxy isobenzene plus HCl. In this reaction, when benzene diazonium chloride is react with aniline, the para hydrogen and chlorine are removed, we get para amino azobenzene plus HCl. Friends, these are the important reaction in amines chapter.